Vegan Nutrition Tracker is a web application that can help you track the nutrients in plant foods. You can also design and share optimal vegan meal plans and recipes. To add a food to your tracking list, click on the Add Food button. It will open a window where you can find and select a food from our database. Start typing the name of the food you are looking for in the search field. Select the desired food by clicking on it. A new window with amount data will open. You can change the unit in the drop-down select on the right. Type the amount of food you ate. Later all the units are converted to grams. After you are satisfied with the amount you entered, click the Add Food button. This will finally add the food to your tracking list. How to edit the amount of a food in my list. Click on the food you want to modify in the list. The edit mode will activate for that item. Change the number showing the amount in grams. Click Save to save your changes. Click Cancel to exit the editing mode with no changes applied.
How to delete a food from my list. Click on the food item you want to delete in the list. Click on the red trash icon to delete the food item.
How to register or log in. Click the Login button in the top right corner of the app to open the login page. Click on a social login button and follow the instructions to log in. At this moment we use social logins only. How to save my current list. First make sure you are logged in. Click on the Save button to open the Save dialog. Choose the type of the list. It can be a diary entry, a meal plan and a recipe. Write a suitable title, and click Save. Notice, the current list is not automatically saved. It is lost when the user closes the browser tab. Save your list often. How to start a new list. First option, you can open the nutrition tracker in a new window. This will allow you to work on the second list without losing the first one. Second option, click on the Clear button in the bottom right corner of the food list panel. This will delete the current list and start a new one. How to load a saved list. First make sure you are logged in. Click on the Load button to open the loading dialog. Click the tab with the desired category. Click the list you want to load. How to use my own recipe in a list. You can save any list as a recipe, and it will appear in search results with a particular icon. How to modify my recipe. First you need to load your recipe. It will overwrite your current list, so make sure to save it in advance. Click on Load button to open the loading dialog. Click on the Recipes tab to show all your recipes. Load the recipe you want to edit by clicking on it. Modify the list with your recipe as needed. Click the Save button to save all the changes. How to see what food contributes to a nutrient. Click on the nutrient bar to show a list of foods that contribute to that nutrient. Click again on the nutrient bar to close the list. How to modify daily nutrient goals. Click on the nutrient bar to open the daily goal settings for that nutrient. The default goals are based on the RDA group. You can click the Edit button to enter the edit mode for daily target. Change the min and max values as needed. Click the Save Daily Goals button to save your changes. How to add a custom food. Log in and click the user icon in the top right corner of the app. Click the Create Custom Food button in the opened menu to start creating a new food. Enter all the data you have available about the food. Leave the remaining fields empty. Next click the Create button. Now your food should appear in the search results. How to share my food list. Click on the Share button in the top right corner of the food list panel. This will open an advanced sharing window. Click on social icons to share directly to them. Click on the Embed tabs to get the BB code, HTML code and image URL that can be embedded in forums and blog posts. You can learn more on how to use the Vegan Nutrition Tracker on the application help page. Click subscribe to get notified about new Vegan Nutrition Tracker developments.